Hey, what's up, beautiful people? So today, we're gonna do something awesome. Today, we're gonna get Ethiopian food, which is amazing. It's really, really good, right?
Yeah.
Is it great?
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Amazing.
Yep.
Yeah.
So last year was our... Last year? What? So last week was our adoption day, and we didn't get to get Ethiopian food because we were in Colorado. So today we're gonna get it, and it's gonna be amazing, right? Amazing.
Yeah, because Indian food is the best.
Ethiopian, not Indian.
I got Spider-Man gloves and Spider-Man socks and Spider-Man shoes.
Oh my gosh.
Pretty sure Spider-Man.
We're like, yeah, you just don't have the Spider-Man suit today. Kind of crazy, huh? What's that look?
Yes.
What did he say?
He said I'm wearing Spider-Man underwear.
Oh, that's funny. Are you guys ready to go get the food?
Yes.
Let's go in. Okay guys, so like the boys said, today we are celebrating with some Ethiopian food because last week was their adoption day. Woo! And we had a lot of fun hiking in the gorgeous mountains in Colorado.
But
And
there is no Ethiopian food in
yeah,
Vail,
we
so
could not find
we were
anything
looking,
close.
It was
Yeah.
not gonna happen.
And we do this every year, guys, so this is something we've been looking forward to now that we're home and we're settled. We are definitely going to enjoy eating some Ethiopian food, and we dropped Lincoln off at therapy today. He had a long therapy session with his PT, OT, and speech, and so we're gonna go pick him up in just a minute and then come home and eat this food, and we're so excited. What are you guys more excited about, Ethiopian food or the soda?
I'm pretty pumped about getting to drink.
We never
don't
drink
do
soda, guys.
soda.
They're so excited. The guy was so nice. He's like, here, I'm throwing these in for you guys. And they were so excited, right?
I love soda. I've never had it.
Yeah.
We
They
just
love
don't do
soda.
it.
We're going to go grab Lincoln and head home and enjoy this food. He got you. What the heck, Dad? Did you hear Ethan? What the heck, Dad?
Try your best.
You're the one that's...
You guys ready to get
That was actually a little loud. Linky's taking a nap, so we can't be that loud.
Okay, I'll stop. I'll take one.
You gotta find
Oh, did you find a book to read?
Take me down to
you
Chinatown.
gotta find the person.
Yeah, this is the book about Prague. One of our subscribers sent us this one.
Me too.
We like this book a lot.
Say I am the captain now.
You're not the captain.
Say I am the captain now.
You're not the captain.
Say Liam is the captain now.
Name's Captain now.
I had a little nap time. He's like, wow, what a celebration from waking
I
up.
thought he was teasing me, but he was really just trying to get the book.
Yeah, oh, I know. He could hear us out here. He's like, I'm done with my nap.
See Spiky?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, he loves this book.
He does.
That'd be so funny if every time we woke up, everyone was like, "Yeah, you're awoken today."
You get it to me all the time.
Did you have a little nap, Linky? And now he got books. He's a little groggy still.
Well, the question is like,
When I was a kid, my dad would wake us up with a water gun from the door.
Yeah.
Get up, it's a beautiful day in the core. Like,
Oh, you guys brought your Legos up,
The
huh?
great thing about having this type of Lego table, you can just bring it up.
Yeah, it's true. It's all in one place. That's pretty awesome. I know we've shared about this before, guys, but this is Lincoln's absolute favorite book. He loves this one. It's got little Chinese nursery rhymes. It's in English and Chinese, and it has little buttons to press, and he loves the song so much. Is that a good one, Linky? Linky, are you going to help us? He's like, I want to read while you guys talk. You got it?
you got a book? He's so excited to learn right now.
He's like, what are you talking about? I'm doing school too.
You're so silly.
Cool. Gentle, Linky.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Okay. So Lincoln is going to help us here while we talk for just a minute. Oh my gosh, he's so
Such a good
excited.
one.
Yeah.
I love it.
Guys, we have a really cool opportunity that we want to talk to you guys about for a minute because it's something that we're so passionate about and that we
Yeah.
have been doing for years and years, literally. We've mentioned in the past how we sponsor kids through an organization that helps with child poverty and with family preservation. As we talk about going back to Ethiopia next year, it's really exciting because we're talking about getting to go connect with this organization and see the kids that we do sponsor, that we have sponsored for like 12 years now. We've never met them in person, but we write letters and have just seen them grow up. One of them is 20 years old and he's about to start college.
Guys. We started this in 2008.
Yeah.
Whenever we were living in Houston, and I was a compassion artist. The organization is called Compassion, and they're absolutely amazing. And so we actually sponsored 3 kids starting in 2008. In 2009, we got to go with them to one of their projects in El Salvador and spend a week in El Salvador and just see what they do, how they're involved in life, and not just these kids, but the entire community. On a socioeconomic level, on an education level, on a food and medical needs level, and clothing, and just the normal things that we all kind of tend to take for granted sometimes. And they're doing such an amazing job to not just change the life of a child, but to change the life of an entire community through child sponsorship. And so we started sponsoring 3 kids in 2008, and we've been sponsoring them ever since. And Simeon in Ethiopia is 20. Like, we were just talking with him because they send letters, and you get to write letters, and they write you letters. It's like having a pen pal across the world. And it's just so cool to see every year him growing and getting smarter and he's such a good soccer player, just so
and we might get to meet him when we go to Ethiopia next year.
I'm so excited.
So exciting for us to get to meet him, and for him to get to meet our kids, and for the boys to get to meet him. I just think it might be just an incredible opportunity. And so Steven's not really traveling with this band anymore, but we were talking with them about being able to continue working with them on the YouTube platform, because I know that there are so many of you guys who are also very interested in making a difference in this world and being able to meet needs where you see them. And this is such an incredible opportunity to be able to do that. And having gone on a trip to El Salvador with them, we were able to see firsthand how they work and the impact that they're making. They even opened up their books to show where every penny went.
Dollar goes.
And they are just such a highly rated organization and just a leader in their field. And so I just think it's incredible to be able to give this opportunity to you guys to be able to sponsor a child. And so we're going to put a link in the description box and in the comments so that you guys can check it out.
Compassion.com/themillerfam. So easy. It's $38 a month. We do $38 a month times 3. It's really not that bad. I drink a lot of coffee. It just meant for me cutting back a little bit on coffee. No big deal.
Yeah, but it makes
you-
such a difference because it's not only just food, it's education and clothing and so many things that these kids need, and it really does make the difference in preserving families.
Seriously.
Because you guys know we are so passionate about adoption, but there are a lot of times where adoption really should not actually happen because these families should be able to stay together.
Yeah.
When you're talking about poverty, that should never be a reason for adoption, and so we are very passionate about family preservation, and Compassion does such an incredible job at this.
And seriously, guys, when you think, especially right now, about how COVID is really hitting the poorest of the poor the hardest, that's really what Compassion specializes in, is they're helping to rescue people out of poverty. And in something like this, with this pandemic, where people are getting harder hit than even usual, Compassion and their community projects is going such a long way. And so here's what we're trying to do, okay? I asked them this week how many kids are in projects in Ethiopia, and they sent me back this number: 9,592 kids are open to be sponsored right now, are waiting to meet you right now. And we were like, hey, I think that the Miller fam, and that's me and you, that's us and that's you guys, we can actually, I mean, call me a dreamer or whatever you want to call me, but I think we could have all 9,592 of those kids sponsored just within the Miller fam. That's us, that's you, and we can actually make that happen. And so we're actually really challenging you guys and inviting you into this story with us. This is something we're very passionate about, something we're very excited about, being able to do something that's so amazing for these kids and for these communities. And so we're inviting you to join us. We're asking you to join us. So
you won't regret it, guys. It just is a life-changing experience.
It's amazing.
It's one of the things that really led us to adopt as well, because we're able to see just the need that there is for families in poverty, but also for children who don't have homes. And so that was a very eye-opening experience for us, and really kind of started stirring our hearts to do more. And so not everyone can adopt, and we know that, but I do feel like this is something that a lot of people can really get involved in, making a huge difference. And a lot of these kids grow up and they go on to college, and you have like executives and CEOs of big companies coming back and saying, I was a Compassion kid and it changed the course of my life.
It's changing entire communities. I mean, really, it's changing families, it's changing communities, it's changing nations. And
we wouldn't tell you guys about this if we did not 100% wholeheartedly believe in this. And so I'm so excited to be able to present this opportunity for you guys to partner with us.
We're not trying to market anything. We're not trying to, we just believe in it. We've been doing it for, again, we've said it 12 years, and it's amazing. And so go to compassion.com/themillerfam, and let's do this together, guys. There's 9,592 kids who are waiting to meet you today. So let's get this done.
And like we said, guys, next year when we go to Ethiopia, it's going to be incredible. We are so excited to be able to go partner with them and be able to go into some of these communities and meet some of these kids. And what's so cool is that you get to meet a lot of the kids that are being sponsored. And so we might even be able to meet some of the kids that you guys are sponsoring. And we're going to take you guys along on that journey. And so I am so excited. The kids are so excited. It's just going to be an incredible trip, and this is an incredible opportunity. So we wanted to kind of close out the vlog this way, just kind of sharing what's on our hearts with you guys. And I'm just so incredibly thrilled, and we love you guys so much. So thanks for hanging out with us today while we just kind of hang around the house, enjoy Ethiopian food, and just take it easy, and have Mr. Lincoln here reading and just being the scholar that he is. Right, Linky?
You're a scholar and a gentleman.
Linky, do you want to say bye-bye?
Bye!
Bye-bye! Bye, guys. We love you.
We love you guys.
Mwah.
You will